Hello, welcome to Mommy Says So Food Show, and we have Chef Sugata with us from the Haldiram's team. So, welcome.
Hello,
How are
hi,
you?
hello, ma'am. How are you?
So, what are we making today? Diwali
Actually,
special.
Diwali special. This is one of our most iconic traditional chaat items. This is called the Raj Kachori.
Sure.
Yeah, people line up for the Raj Kachori. Every ticket has a Raj Kachori and Haldiram's. Okay, so we're going to make a Raj Kachori, but today the twist is the cranberries.
Cranberries,
How do
yeah.
we incorporate cranberries into the Raj Kachori?
Quickly, if you can share the
Sure.
benefits also with us.
Yeah. So cranberry basically it's a dry fruit,
Right.
and it's very high on antioxidants, and you can use it in a variety of Indian foods. It's got a very tangy and it's got a good shelf life. You can store it for a good amount of time if it's fresh. And you can recently we have started putting it in Indian foods also. You can use it in a lot of salads, put it in chutneys, put it as paratha stuffings, put it in your pulaus.
Wow.
Yeah, so it's a
Really
very
nice to also.
versatile dry fruit which you can use everywhere.
Yes. But where does it originate from? What's the story?
The story is basically it's I wouldn't be able to tell you the exact location, but somewhere in Europe.
Yeah.
This is a hibernating fruit. Basically, it grows under water for 1 month when it's very cold.
Okay.
When they harvest it, then the fresh ones, if it's fresh, it goes into the jam and the jellies and all these things. So most of it is, since it's got a very low shelf life,
Right.
is most of it is dried and exported from
Right.
there. Yeah. So that is how we have it on our table here. There are a few which are sugar coated to increase the shelf life,
Right.
but here what we have got it no sugar, so it's the more healthy.
Oh, super. So let's get started.
Yeah, sure. So what we do is basically this is our cranberry dahi. So this is basically a part of cranberry crush, a part of cranberry puree with our sweetened yogurt.
Okay.
Okay,
Just by itself looks
yummy. So we put a little bit here on our plate here. This is because so that the Raj Kachori doesn't move.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Otherwise, the Raj Kachori keeps moving.
Dancing around.
Yes. So hold it in place.
Base.
Yes,
Oh,
correct. Now it will not move.
sure.
Okay. The first thing we do it, we take two papadis,
Okay.
slightly crush it.
Sure.
We have to add to the crunch, to the base.
Okay.
Okay. Then we put some plain boiled potatoes.
Okay.
Okay. Just 1 spoon, 1 tablespoon.
Right.
On that, we add a little bit of, just to season it.
Okay.
This is our in-house chaat masala.
Okay.
We don't buy chaat masala from outside. Haldiram has its own chaat masala. Yeah.
Everything in our
Then we
let's
have,
make that.
this is your chana and the moat,
Right.
and it's spiced. This also is the speciality of Haldiram's.
Oh, wow.
Okay. Uh, Two things. And we add the,
Wow.
this is
Yes.
the green chutney,
Okay.
1 spoon.
Okay. I think it's like a magic happening.
Yeah.
It's attracting this little kid.
Yeah. Want to add amchur chutney?
Yes.
I want to make it.
Yes.
Let's make it. Come on.
Yeah. Oh, wow.
Hold the spoon. Yeah. Come on. Come on, come on. I will for you. Put the chutney, no, put the whole thing. Yeah. Well, lovely. Come on.
Excellent.
Bas. That's it.
But that's it. That's it.
That's it. Ha. Now, we will take this pakodi,
Okay. Take one.
slightly crush it. Slightly crush it. Ah.
Perfect.
And
Okay.
put it. Okay. Now we put a little bit of, you see salt bay? Yeah, how does salt bay put chaat masala? Yeah? Pick it up. Yeah, let's put chaat masala. Look up. Yeah. Okay. Now we have both the chutneys again. Yeah.
Okay. Again, top it up with.
Sweet chutney. Then the magic of the yogurt. You fill it up with, all it up with nice cranberry yogurt. Yeah. Go inside the cavity. Fills up the cavity.
Loaded. Totally loaded with.
Loaded. This is the green chutney. Yes. Yeah, we put a little bit of shea. Thank you. Shea, the bundi. Yeah, yeah. And we put the cranberries.
That's the beautiful.
Yes. Yeah. We add a little bit of lecha, beetroot. We add a little bit of lecha, ginger for a slight kick.
Yeah.
Yeah. And top it up with some nice coriander and just a little bit of.
Wow. Super. So
Here
how
you
much
go.
of cranberry can we
20
consume?
grams. In this one, it's 20
Oh
grams.
wow. Wow, look at this. Absolutely. Thank you so much, Chef. Look at show it to the audience. Wow. This looks tempting and exciting. Thank you so very much, Chef, for
You're
this.
welcome, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you so
Enjoy
much.
yourself.